Kia portfolio will soon be expanded to include a sleek new small sedan that will take the place of the present Forte. This new sedan will be referred to as the K4 and will be placed beneath the additional K5 family sedan. A fastback roofline, which takes its cues from the Stinger sports sedan, and broad rear fenders, which provide the K4 dynamic stance, are both features that are featured on the Korean automobile. The base engine will be the same 4-cylinder engine that supplied 147 horsepower to the Forte from the previous year. The GT Line turbo trim level is the only one that comes with a turbocharged 4-cylinder engine that produces 190. The K4 is slightly larger than the Forte that is currently in production, and Kia claims that the inside is more spacious, especially for those who sit in the rear seat. This places the K4 in the same category as other small sedans, such as the Honda Civic, the Mazda 3, the Toyota Corolla, and the Volkswagen Jetta. The K4 is scheduled to arrive at Kia dealerships in the fall of 2024, which means that we won't have to wait very long to get horsepower. Get our hands on one. To get our hands on the attractive hatchback type, which Kia claims will be introduced in the United States at a later date, maybe for the 2026 model year, we will have to wait a little bit longer. How does the year 2025 look? When the K4 goes on sale for the 2025 model year, it is anticipated that it will take the place of the Forte small car. The K4 is a new nameplate for Kia in North America. It is possible that an electric model known as EV4 will also be added to the roster at the same time. Pricing, as well as the choice of which one to purchase. The 2025 Kia K4 has a starting price of $23,145 and may go as high as $29,245 depending on the trim level and the options that are purchased. Considering that the price of the equipped GT Line Turbo with all of the goodies is set at an attractive spot just below the $30,000 mark, it is tempting to make the purchase without delay. It is anticipated that the additional power generated by the turbocharged 4-cylinder will also result in a welcomed improvement in performance. The vast majority of K4 models come equipped with a continuously variable automatic transmission, CVT, front-wheel drive, and a 2.0-liter 4-cylinder engine that produces 147 horsepower. The powertrain in question is a straight carryover from the 2024 Forte, and in that particular vehicle, we discovered that this combination had a very lethargic feeling. This characteristic is not expected to alter in the K4, but fortunately, Kia is selling a turbocharged 1.6-liter 4-cylinder engine with 190 horsepower as an upgrade engine. A normal 8-speed automatic transmission is included with the GT Line Turbo trim, which does not come with the more powerful powertrain that is exclusive to that trim. The GT Line Turbo is also equipped with a more advanced multi-link rear suspension, in contrast to the torsion beam configuration that is standard on all of the other K4s. When we have the opportunity to test both models, we will update this article with our thoughts of the driving experience as well as the results of the instrumented tests.